Greetings, I'm Ms. Kingsley, and in this video we're going to be doing some problem solving using both metric and customary conversions. So we're going to look at problems and figure out how to solve these, and in this case we're going to solve each problem by making a table. So the problem states Christina lifts a 2.5 kilogram weight. How much did it weigh in grams? Okay. We are going to make a table, but one of the things we have to either have memorized or be able to look up, like in our math notebook or wherever we took some notes, is the relationship. So we have kilograms and we have grams. So we need to remember or look up that relationship, and I'm going to tell you it's 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Okay. So now we're going to do our chart, and this is what it looks like. So it's going to have 2 rows, and I'm just going to do a rough drawing here where I'm going to have 2 rows. The top row is going to be the first information that they gave me, which is number of kilograms. And the second row is going to be the number of grams. Number of grams. You can write out the word number if you like. I like to use that little hashtag for the abbreviation number. Okay, so we know that 1 kilogram, and now we need our relationship, is equal to 1,000 grams. That means we know that 2 kilograms would be equal to 2 of these, or 2,000 grams. Now they want to know how much 2.5 is. So I'm going to leave a little space there, and I'm going to go over to 3 and say 3 kilograms would be equal to 3 of these, or 3,000. Now our job is to figure out, so how many grams is 2.5 kilograms equal to? We can get to this answer a number of ways. One way, we want to try to figure out the relationship between the numbers in the top row and the numbers in the second row. And if you look at that, you can think of that as multiplying times 1,000. So we could solve this way by taking 2.5 and multiplying by 1,000. And we're going to move that decimal point 1, 2, 3 times, 1, 2, 3, put in our zeros, and we'll get our answer 2,500. Okay, and that is our final answer, which we would put here, 2,500 grams. I always like to put a box around my final answer when I do word problems, so whoever's reading it can see where's my final answer. I could also have gotten there by looking at 2,000 and 3,000 and looking at 2, 2.5, and 3, and seeing that 2.5 happens to be right in the middle. And right in the middle of 2,000 and 3,000 is 2,500. So that's a second way to get there. We're going to do one more, and then I'm going to give you 2 for practice. Okay, so here's our second one. Okay, a truck is loaded with 7,000 pounds of bricks. How many tons of bricks are on the truck? So now we have pounds and tons. So the first one was metric. This one is customary, okay? So you have to know or look up that relationship. I'm going to tell you what it is. It's 1 ton, if you know it, say it out loud, is equal to 2,000 pounds. That's a lot of pounds, right? Okay, so we're going to make our chart. This time, we're putting on top what is the first unit of measurement they give us. So that's going to be number of pounds. And this bottom, the second row, is going to be the second unit of measurement they give us, and that is number of tons. So you would set up your chart like that. So now we know 1 ton, I always like to start with my ones, is equal to 2,000 pounds. If we know that 2 tons is equal to 4,000 pounds. And if we know that, we also can do 3 which is 3 times 2,000, is going to get us 6,000 pounds. Now they have 7,000, so I'm going to leave a little blank again. Come over here to one that I know, which is 4 is going to give us 8,000 pounds. Okay, now the relationship from the top to the bottom this time is not multiplication. If I want to go from this number to this number, I'm going to have to divide by 2,000. So I have 7,000 pounds here, and I either need to divide by 2,000 or I need to see where is that between 6 and 8. And once again, you might see that it is halfway between 6 and 8, which makes getting to our answer a little easier, and we would say this is now 3.5. You could also do the longhand work of going 7,000 divided by 2,000, and you would get the same answer. It just takes a little bit longer to get there, and you're going to bring down that 0, and then you would get your answer. Shouldn't have put that comment in there. Okay, good. All right, so now it's your turn for problems. I'm going to just adjust my screen real quick. Okay, back, your turn. This is where you pause the video and work out these problems as best you can. Please give it a try, because you never learn just by watching. You have to be doing math to learn it. And next is going to come your answer key, and here it comes. There we go. So hopefully you got some of that on your own. And that's the end for today. And see you next time. Bye.